Seeking God through depression and anxiety, a message of hope and restoration. What's up, future financial trader? This is Dr. Jemelson Pierre-Louis. If you've been carrying emotional stress, anxiety, fear, discouragement, or moments where life feels overwhelming, I want you to pause for a moment and hear this clearly. Your struggles do not define your identity, your future, or your purpose. Difficult seasons can make you feel isolated, exhausted, and uncertain, but you are not forgotten, and your life still matters. Sometimes when the pressure of life becomes heavy, it becomes harder to recognize peace, hope, and direction. That is why growth and healing often begin with small, intentional steps instead of perfection. You do not need to pretend to have everything together. Start with honesty. Pray honestly, speak honestly. Allow yourself quiet moments to breathe, reflect, and reconnect with God, faith, hope, and purpose. Take time each day to slow your mind and protect your thoughts. Replace negative thinking with truth, encouragement, and faith-filled reminders that your story is not over. Even if progress feels slow, every positive step forward matters. Feed your spirit with uplifting music, prayer, scripture, wisdom, healthy habits, and people who genuinely encourage your growth and well-being. Remember that your emotional, spiritual, physical, and mental health are connected. Drink water, get rest, spend time outside, move your body, and take care of yourself with patience and compassion. Small, healthy habits can help strengthen your mindset over time. Do not isolate yourself during difficult moments. Reach out to trusted friends, mentors, counselors, faith leaders, or supportive communities. Sometimes healing begins when you allow others to walk beside you. Seeking encouragement and support is not weakness. It is wisdom, courage, and strength. Most importantly, understand this. Healing is a journey, not a race. There will be strong days and difficult days, but difficult moments do not mean you are failing. Every prayer, every breath, every effort to keep moving forward is proof that you are stronger than you think. Your life still has purpose. Your future still has value. Peace, healing, growth, and restoration are possible. Keep believing, keep growing, and keep walking toward the light, even if today you can only see a small glimpse of it. I believe in you. Together